What is up, beautiful people? Today I have the February Boxycharm base box. This is the one that I pay for myself, so this is not PR. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Of course, it is the month of love. I also have a try-on portion if you guys are interested in that. Hopefully, I will remember to put the timestamps down below if you want to jump to that. I did use some of the products in here. Like I said previously, they now have these long numbers, so I'm not even gonna bother reading all of that. But the first thing in here is the Ace Beauté Nostalgia palette. This is $38.99. And when I opened this, I was so excited. Look at those shades. It's just such a bright, tropical, fun palette. I just feel like this is so much fun. If you can't tell, like, I went a little ham on my eyes with quite a few of these bright shades, and I will definitely be doing some looks on my Instagram if you guys are interested in following me down below. But such a fun palette. So excited that this came in here. Next thing in here is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. This is $29, and I am all about vitamin C. Vitamin C helps brighten your skin. This just looks absolutely amazing and smells very citrusy, so that's what it looks like. I've tried like maybe one or two products from Saturday Skin and really have enjoyed them, so that's what that one looks like. So I will definitely be testing this out, sleep with it, see if I become revived. Next thing in here is the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. This is $22. I did play around with this as well. This is what the unicarton looks like, and this is what the product looks like. It is a gorgeous blush. It's actually what I have on my cheeks. Just a beautiful peachy nude, which you can use as an everyday color. It also has this balm underneath. I wouldn't actually use the balm on my cheeks, but I did use it on my lips, and it's just a very nice hydrating little balm in there for your lips. The next thing in here is the Glamour Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brushes. You saw these in my PR. These are the brushes that have the little hearts in them that float down. Oh, grabbed a brush I wasn't supposed to, but they float down like that. They are really nice brushes. I have enjoyed using them. I actually used one today with the purple, and I really love this little one. It really gets into the lower lash line or the inner corner, as well as, well, I haven't played with these yet, but these are like really soft, just really soft to the touch. I can tell that it's a something I will like. So I will put this into a giveaway to give back to you guys. And then that brush set is $29.95. And then the last thing in here is the Saint Luxe Beauty. These are a limited edition liner duo. These are $40, and they are Valentines themed. So they come in this little unicarton like that. And then I actually have one of the shades on my lips, which is the lighter one, which is called Love Letter. And then I put another gloss on it. And then the other one is called Secret Admirer. So they are kind of thick. I've never seen them that thick. Like if you see the point, it almost looks like a crayon, where you could actually use this as like a lip color. But what I did was I filled in most of my lip and then added a lip gloss. So those are the two shades right there. And I will go ahead and jump into the try-on portion if you guys want to see me actually use these. For the try-on portion, we're going to start off with the palette. It's such a bright, fun palette, and I wanted to do a cut crease, but Mama's short on time today, and cut creases take a lot of concentration, and then it doesn't always come out right for me, so we're just gonna do a lot of fun colors. I think I'm gonna go in with this Flip Flops as my crease color, maybe use Carnival, like maybe use a lot of these bright shades. We'll see how it comes out, but let's use Flip Flops and then just put that as like a wash of color on the crease. Okay, I said a wash of color and it is bright. Next shade that I'm going to go into is that purple, that Carnival. I think I'm going to use that on the outer half of the lid, and then maybe go into like the orange and then the yellow as a inner corner pop. Let's just, yeah, I think I'm just gonna pat this on and then blend, just so that the purple really comes through. Let me use a little bit of a fluffier blush. The next shade that I'm going to use is this orange one. I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to use this orange one, and then I'm going to use Water Slide on my inner corner. So I'm just hoping that these all play well together. It's going on a little bit patchy because my eyelids are a little bit dry, but I don't think it's the eyeshadow itself. It's just the texture that I have due to some dryness on my lid. And I'm going to use my little favorite MAC brush and apply this yellow. So let's see. Oh, yes. Okay. Looking like. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish blending. I'm going to apply my full face and then come back and we'll try some of the other products on together. So I'm waiting for my lashes to dry so I can put some mascara and do my brows. So I thought I'd go ahead and do the lip liner. This is in the shade Love Letter. And it's a neutral shade. And I'm just gonna use a gloss on top of this. And then I'm just gonna use a neutral gloss. And let's go ahead, and before I do that, we're gonna use this Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek, and this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and just apply this to the cheeks and see how it applies. I'm looking for a synthetic brush. Okay, so it looks like a neutral shade, hopefully. Ooh, okay. I thought it was not gonna be that pigmented, but that's pretty. That kind of took me for a loop. I did not expect it to be this pigmented, but it's okay. We're gonna blend it out. And then I'll do my bronzer and highlight off camera. And this also has like a lip balm underneath, so I'm just gonna try it out as well. It's an okay lip gloss or lip balm. It's nice. But I do like this cheek stain. This is beautiful and this blends like a dream. So I'm gonna finish off my face and then come back with my final thoughts for you guys. For my final thoughts, I have to say, I feel like they knocked it out of the ballpark with this box. I am thrilled with it. I really enjoy it. And yeah, I loved everything that came in here. Even the brushes, I got them in the PR, but they are something super cute that I did add to my collection. And everything else is something that I will be keeping and using. So let me know what you guys got. I don't remember which one was my choice. I want to say it was the palette that I chose as my choice. It's always like a month before, so then by the time my box comes, like sometimes I forget, but I'm almost sure it was the palette. And yeah, let me know what you guys picked as your choice. Are you happy with your box this month? I'd love to hear back from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.